Hi! In front of me is REALME C17 and today I would like to show you how you can remove Google search bar from home screen. First of all, you need to hold your search bar and wait for remove pop-up to show. When it does, click on it. As you can see, after that my search bar was successfully removed. If you wish to, you can always hold your device's screen instead. And then click on this X at the top left corner of your search bar. When you're ready, tap on Home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!